We are at Blue Life. We did this shop yesterday as well. We're doing day 3 now, and this is our dive master for the day. Can you tell us where we're going today? Can you tell us what
go to the south of Playa del Carmen today. We're gonna go to reef. This place is called Barracuda and SABALOS.
Now, if
SABALOS means tarpons.
It's Barracuda. Do we have to be worried about barracudas and Barracuda?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
We expect to see that.
All right. Thank you.
I've lost the flipper. Oh no. I've lost the flipper. Is there any chance you still have enough air?
All the way at the bottom.
Did it hit the bottom already?
I dropped my flipper on dive, at the end of dive number 1, so we had to go back down and get that. But we took a little break, and now we're about to jump back down.
I'm on thoughtful or sad, thoughtful or sad. When in control, I'm on. 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 Thoughtful or sad, thoughtful. When in control, I'm on. When in control, I'm
All right, we just completed dive 2. We are back on the beach. We are back done scuba diving for this trip. We're about to head back to the hotel, and we'll see Chichen Itza tomorrow. But if you want to do scuba diving in Cancun, I highly recommend Blue Life Scuba, or Blue Life Diving. What's the official name? Blue Life Diving. Look them up. I'll put a link down in the description so you can find them pretty easily. And when you call them up, make sure you ask for Misael. Yeah. Our favorite dive master down here. And he'll treat you nice and take you to the cool places. So highly recommend. See you guys later.